Welcome to Unlimit India. Today at Mahindra's SUV proving track, India's next two icons, B6E and XEV9E face off against some of the best global luxury brands. Two electric origin SUVs, 8 unrelenting challenges, infinite possibilities, one champion. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hello everyone, Vanakkam, Namaste. It's an overcast day in Chennai. It appears to be gloomy, but we promise to brighten up your day if that already hasn't done the trick.
Speed, the ultimate test of engineering and adrenaline. First, the dashing B6E lines up against a German giant. Next, the XEV9E faces another titan. Well, who would have thought? Indian EVs aren't just competing, they're conquering. The lane change and slalom, the decisive test of agility. India's game-changing lane dancers effortlessly glide through the course, swift, steady and unstoppable. A seemingly insurmountable test of balance and composure. XEV9E aces it. Glasses untouched, liquids unspilt. Precision perfected. Tight parking problem? We've all been there, haven't we? Let's see what the XEV9E makes of this one. And lo and behold, the XEV9E parks itself with zero stress and zero hassle, unlike other global benchmarks. The Holy Cow Test, a challenge that's truly Indian in spirit. While others falter, the XEV9E steps up, detecting unique obstacles and braking autonomously. The Indian tug of power, 22 tons, one electric origin SUV. Effortless. Mahindra's electric origin SUVs prove that beauty, brains and brawn can, in fact, converge into one. For these icons, truly, sky is the limit. Battery strength, India's toughest battery challenge. The XEV9E and B6E are powered by the advanced LFP blade cell technology. And to top it, Mahindra's own unparalleled passion for safety. Untouched performance meets unmatched resilience. India's coolest customer. Is there anything at all that phases these SUVs? Guess we won't find that answer today. Certified under AIS 038 standards, it's not just tough, it's unshakable. This is history in the making. Two Indian-born electric origin SUVs that didn't just meet global benchmarks, they set new ones. B6E and XEV9E, remember the names. Made in India is now redefined. It's unlimited.
For you like crazy.